Hey everyone, hope you are following me on my Halloween food recipe series. Today I'm going to share with you a very unique Spiderweb Pie recipe. This is so easy and spooky at the same time. Every kid is going to love this. It's got a beautiful surprise inside it which I'm sure you're going to fall in love with. So without any further delay, let's get baking. So for layer 1, I'm taking some crushed Oreos along with some melted unsalted butter. I'll simply combine both of this to make a sticky mixture, and once it's nice and sticky, I'll transfer it to an 8-inch removable base pie dish. I'll use a spatula and my fingers to crimp the edges and let it sit in the freezer for 30 minutes so that it sets perfectly. Over to the second layer, I'm taking some caramel along with some red food color. I'll give it all a quick whisk to make my fake blood caramel layer, and then once it's nicely combined through, I'll simply pour this over my set chocolate pie crust. Now you want to refreeze this for 30 to 40 more minutes so that you have a perfectly set frozen caramel layer. Over to the third step, I'll melt some bittersweet dark chocolate. You want to use really bittersweet chocolate here and not really sweet chocolate, because the bittersweet chocolate balances out the flavors of the extra sweet caramel layer. Once it's nicely smooth and creamy, pour this over your set caramel layer, even it out and freeze for 30 more minutes. Next, take some melted white chocolate in a piping bag and draw your spider web over your set chocolate pie crust. And there you go, your chocolate spiderweb pie is ready in no time. Follow Recipe Magic for more such easy and quick Halloween recipes, which I'm sure is going to be so perfect for Halloween this year. And every trick-or-treaters and your guests will be spooked away by these amazing Halloween recipes. And there you go, next comes the most amazing and most awaited part. Here I'll remove the spiderweb pie from its removable base pie dish, and it's time to cut in through it. This is the most amazing part, and as you cut through the spiderweb pie, you have all the blood or the caramel layer oozing out of it. I know it looks really creepy, but it's so delicious and perfect for Halloween. Isn't it just looking like it has a spider's nest hiding inside in the form of a chocolate blood? And as you cut in through it, you have all the spider's blood oozing out of it. Comment below how you enjoyed making this recipe. So this is it guys, this is how you make easy Halloween spiderweb pie. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Do give it a try for Halloween, and if you have any questions, post it below in the comment section. Also, you can find the full recipe and the macros in the description box below. Join me for my 21-day Halloween recipe challenge, where you will find easy and quick Halloween recipes which are so easy to make, and every trick-or-treaters are going to fall in love with this. Stay tuned for more Halloween related recipes and have a great Halloween y'all.